Paya pauno ndi bata, paya pauno ndi choda, paya pauno ndi reza, idenga. Hey everyone, rangu zitandi nonzi Hope Masike Gwenyambira Kadzi. I am so excited to invite you for Zimtolikazi Music Festival this month on Saturday the 27th of July. You don't want to be anywhere else but at Old Hararians. There's going to be music for everyone. It's going to be a family fun-filled Saturday. Bring your children, bring the grandpas and the grandmas, everyone. There's going to be me, Hope Masike, with fantabulous Mbira vibes for you. There's going to be Gafa, Winky D, Enzo Ishal. There's going to be Manex Moti. There's going to be Matthias Mere and many more. All sorts of music for you as we celebrate lovely local music from Zimbabwe. Now I'm launching my album on the 26th of July, the day before. So this is your chance to hear the new vibes. See ya!